Hey there, welcome to Hands on High Tech. Little update on the composting toilet. So, like and subscribe. Thanks.
All right, 1.25 inch pipe coming out of that composting toilet. I switched it to PVC and I drilled some little holes in the bottom of that. This is just 1.25 inch PVC. Had a connector that actually screwed right into that wall, and the black pipe fit right in it from that piece inside. It's kind of flexible piece. And then I put some of this tape, which is, I think this is called flashing tape. And you can see the drill there. It's like a little 1/8" drill. And anyway, now I'm just going to cover this up with gravels. This is the urine part of the toilet. The composting side is inside. So we can cover this up, and I'll mount this over so that things can get it. But the squirrels were chewing through that, right? So evidently this stuff is made out of not such great stuff. That's a squirrel. And anyway, we have that a little more secure. So anyway, just a little update on the toilet. It's working really well. Got a view of it from here, right? And I really like it. Here's the toilet seat, ashes and dust. And then in the back, right back here, is where that exit is. You can see kind of how I did that. And I still have some flashing tape to put around the door, but the door is pretty tight and often seems to be getting in here. Although I do have, by the way, these things work really well. First I thought it was woodpeckers trying to get in, but I actually think this is squirrels. But it's kind of stopped them a little bit. I wouldn't say a ton, because if you look, got a little bit on each side. Obviously in the back, look up here. So I may end up cladding this whole thing in metal just to keep squirrels out. But anyway, it's just an update. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.